My dad, he was always very handy. He spent many, many years with sun exposure. That's how this cancer came about. I don't think any of us realized that it would go as far as it did. The doctor came to the house and set things up to have Dad have assistance in dying. I've gone from planning my dad's death to watching him get better, start to do things again. It was a miracle. Had we caught this earlier, it just wouldn't have had to happen at all. We're just looking at making more memories, plant more gardens, spending time together.